interplay. Along with Presage, proudly present
Today we're going
Mario's
to
Game Gallery.
Go fish.
Would you like to play checkers? Yoo-hoo! I'm waiting for you. Yoo-hoo! I'm waiting for you. Great! I'm like. Go fish?
Yeah, go fish. Come here, fishy, fishy. What is your name? Ari.
Let's play, huh?
Oh, yeah.
I'm go first. Do you have any piranha plant?
I don't have any
Mario,
problems.
go fish!
I'm guess I'm go fishing. Okay.
Do you have any Marios?
Go fish?
I don't have any Marios. Oh my god, what you want?
You get another turn. It's your turn. Go fish?
Ah, you see, this guy. So Koopa.
Do you have any Bowsers?
Oh, it's Sex Bowser's.
I'd like to have your piranha plant.
I don't have any problems.
Mario, go fish!
I'm guess I'm go fishing. Okay.
Do you have any ribbon fishes?
Yes, I have one card.
I have one ribbon fish card, okay?
It's your
Do you have any
turn.
blues?
Go fish?
No. See, I have
Do you have any Bowsers?
I don't have any.
Mario, go fish!
Come here, fishy fishy. Here, fishy fishy. It's your turn.
Do you have any blues?
Go fish?
Oh, Goomba.
Please give me your Marios.
Oh, I just guessed Mario with this guess.
I'm fishing for Bowsers.
I don't have
Mario,
any
go
Bowsers.
fish!
Looks like it's time to go fishing again. That's one book for Mario.
Uh-oh, I guess you got one book. Do
Okay.
you have any boosts?
Go fish?
No. Oh, piranha plant.
I'm looking for princesses.
Mario, go fish!
Come here, fishy fishy. Here, fishy fishy. Okay.
Do you have any piranha plants?
Yes, I have one card. It's
Do you have
your
any
turn.
Goombas?
Go fish?
No. Oh, piranha plant.
I'm fishing for Luigi's.
I don't have
Mario,
any
go
Luigi.
fish!
I'm guess I'm go fishing. Okay.
Do you have any?
Go fish?
I see anybody Goombas.
You got what you wanted. It's
Do you
your
have any
turn.
blues?
Go fish?
No. Oh, we got with blue.
You get another turn. It's
Do you
your
have any
turn.
random fishes?
Go fish?
Oh, Toad.
I'd like to have your little toadies.
My name is policeman.
Please give me your Luigi's.
Mario, go fish!
Looks like it's time to go fishing again.
Buenas tardes,
That's another book for Mario.
Oh no!
I got what I asked for.
Oh no!
Do you have any Rexes?
Let's guess Lexi.
Please give me your Bowsers.
I don't have
Mario,
any
go
Bowsers.
fish!
Come here, fishy fishy. Here, fishy fishy.
Do you have
Okay.
any
Go
fishes?
fish?
No. Oh, bomb.
I'm fishing for Yoshi's.
Yoshikis.
Mario, go fish!
Looks like it's time to go fishing again. It's your
Do you have
turn.
any ribbon fishes?
Yes, I have one card.
Do
Okay.
you have any Goombas?
Go fish?
Oh,
You got what you wanted.
Do
Okay.
you have any Goombas?
Go fish?
I don't have any dumbass. Oh, bomb.
I'd like to have your princesses.
I don't have
Mario,
any
go
princesses.
fish!
Knuckles.
Guess I'm go fishing. It's
Do you
your
have any
turn.
Goombas?
Go fish?
No. That's okay. Oh, get Peach.
I'm looking for Yoshi's.
I don't
Mario,
have
go
any
fish!
Guess I'm go fishing.
Eh,
It's
do you
your
have any
turn.
princess?
Yes, I'm have two cards.
Two princess, okay? Oh yeah. Do
Okay.
you have any Goombas?
Go fish?
No. Oh, Toad.
Do you have any Rip Van Fishy?
Oh no, I just asked for that.
That's another book for Mario.
But getting Goombas.
Do you have any Bob-Oms?
Oh no.
That's another book for
Next
Mario.
Mario we got bombs.
I'm fishing for little toadies.
Uh-oh.
Do you have any Yoshis?
I don't have any Yoshis.
Mario, go fish!
Looks like it's time to go fishing again. It's
Do you
your
have any
turn.
Goombas?
Go fish?
No. Oh, I got
That's
one more.
one book for you.
Awesome.
I'd like to have your Bowsers.
I just asked Bowser.
Mario, go fish!
Come here, fishy fishy. Here, fish. That's another
Oh
book
no,
for
Mario's a
Mario.
cheater. No. Do you have
Okay.
any Goombas?
Go fish?
Oh, okay, Goombas.
You got what you wanted.
Do you
Okay.
have any Goombas again?
Go fish?
No, I don't have it. Oh, it's okay,
Please
Yoshi.
give me your Rexes.
I don't have any
Mario, go fish!
Looks like it's time to go fishing again.
Una espada, I'll take off.
That's another book for Mario.
What?
It's your
Do you have any
turn.
Goombas?
Go fish?
No. Yes.
That's
yes.
another book for
Finally,
you.
I get that another book.
Do you have any Yoshis?
Oh, I just asked Yoshi. Listen to this.
I'm looking for Rexes.
I see Rex.
Mario, go fish!
Come here, fishy fishy. Here, fishy fishy. It's your
Do you have
turn.
any Goombas?
Go fish?
No. Oh, we get Yoshi.
Do you have any Big Boos?
Uh-oh.
That's another book for Mario.
No.
I'd like to have your Rexes.
I don't want to relax.
Mario, go fish!
Guess I'm go fishing.
Do you have any
Okay.
Goombas?
Go fish?
No. Oh, I got what you
That's
wanted.
another book for you. You get another turn. It's your
Do you have any
turn.
princess?
Yes, I have one card.
Monster mini card.
That's another book for you.
Yeah. Do you have any
Okay.
Yoshis?
Yes, I'ma have two cards.
Uh-oh, I see two Yoshis. Do you
Okay.
have any Yoshis?
Go fish?
Oh.
I'm looking
I'm
for
getting three cards.
Rexes.
Uh-oh.
That's another book for
Uh-oh.
Mario.
What? Oh my god.
Come here, fishy fishy.
Oh no!
Here, fishy fishy. Do you have any Yoshi's?
He's cheating!
That's another book for Mario.
He's cheating!
That was a lots of fun.
Oh, I'm not getting 3 cards! No, this was a lot of fun! No! Sonic! The Sonic the Hedgehog! I see Sonic! I can't be fully Sonic the Hedgehog! Oh no! What the heck did I just give me a... Now give me a 3 cards! No! That was the worst video I've seen. Stop this! Now give me a 3 card! Oh no!
Eine Sau ist ja die Mutter.
Oh no, sie getting... Oh no. No, see, getting Sonic the Hedgehog. These Goombas. How about these Goombas? I just getting me 3 cards. Mario's game gallery, Goldfish. Yes, Goldfish is the same. Let's see how many we can play.
Das war so nicht.
What you want?
Ich möchte noch ein Battle machen.
Oh! Are we playing Dominoes? Okay. Let's play Dominoes. Oh yeah. Yes. You should be Bowser. We're not getting 3 cards. Let's see Mario with the gift. Let's go. Let's play Dominoes. Goldfish? No.
Great! I'm like Dominoes?
Dominoes? Oh no, yeah, this Dominoes.
I'm really enjoy playing with you. Okie dokie, your move.
Okay, your move.
Let's see.
Let's see. Think.
How about this move?
How about it, this move?
That's a good move. Eureka!
Eureka.
It's my turn now. How about this move? Here's your bone.
Maybe I should draw.
Okie dokie. Maybe I should draw from the boneyard. Eureka! That's a great move. Mario has to draw a bone.
Whoops. Mario's drawing
Oh
a bone.
boy!
Whoops. Okay. Now we should be starting winning the game.
Knock knock. Who's there? Jamaica. Jamaica the who? Jamaica me cuckoo crazy.
Yeah, I win the game from Dominoes.
Hey, you won. You play so well.
Yeah. Yeah.
Hey, how about another game with me?
That's what's a lot of fun for playing Dominoes. Next time we will give see ya. Bye bye.